Can you plea bargain in criminal fraud cases? Have you ever wondered if plea bargaining is an option in criminal fraud cases? The answer is yes, it is commonly available. Fraud falls under the category of white-collar crimes, which include offenses like credit card fraud, embezzlement, and tax evasion. These crimes often involve deceit for financial gain and can lead to serious legal consequences. Plea bargaining is a legal process where a defendant negotiates with the prosecutor. The goal is to plead guilty to a lesser charge or to receive a reduced sentence. This can help avoid the stress and unpredictability of a trial. In the context of fraud, plea bargains can take different forms. One common type is charge bargaining. In this scenario, a defendant may agree to plead guilty to a less severe charge than what was originally filed. For instance, if someone is charged with multiple counts of fraud, they might plead guilty to fewer counts or a lesser offense. This can significantly reduce potential penalties and the stigma associated with more serious charges. Another form is sentence bargaining. Here, the defendant pleads guilty to the original charge but negotiates for a lighter sentence or reduced penalties. This can help avoid lengthy prison terms or hefty fines, which can be life-altering. Fact bargaining is another option. In this case, the defendant agrees to acknowledge certain facts while excluding others. This can prevent aggravating circumstances from influencing the sentencing process. From a criminal defense perspective, plea bargaining in fraud cases can be a strategic tool. It allows defendants to navigate the legal system more effectively. However, it does involve admitting guilt, which results in a criminal conviction. This can have lasting effects on a person's record and future opportunities. Judges must review and approve any plea bargain. They consider various factors, including the nature of the fraud, the defendant's criminal history, public safety, and the interests of victims. While victims can express their views, they do not have the power to veto the agreement. If you or someone you know is facing fraud charges, it is essential to consult with an experienced criminal defense attorney. They can help evaluate the benefits and risks of plea bargaining. A skilled attorney can negotiate the best possible terms, whether that means reducing charges or limiting sentencing exposure. In summary, plea bargaining is a recognized option in criminal fraud cases. It offers defendants a way to resolve their cases without going to trial, but it requires careful consideration of the legal and practical consequences involved.